Okay, so here I am, another part video. This is the last of the monsters, the dinosaurs, the figures, and all that kind of stuff. This is the last one of those videos before I start putting a Gundam video up and the Starship videos. I really hope that you like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a real lot. You know, it takes a lot of time to do these videos and money to go to these places and do this kind of stuff. And I'd like to get better audio equipment because my microphone crapped out during the event. So I got to reshoot or re-edit my whole beginning of the dealer room. Anyway, stay tuned for other videos. Thank you very much. And towards the end of the video is a big ass shark.
Cool. Tell you what, this one here, that is really, that's beautiful. That is just beautiful. Yeah, when people do Godzilla stuff, they really do it.
They usually have Sunday specials. You had to tell me that. You had to say that now. Now you said that. It gets better. So you usually get all kinds of deals because you don't want to take this stuff home. So you offer it. There's too many people here.
There's a lot of people here this year. There's a lot.
It makes it difficult to take pictures of everything.
Sure.
No. No, none of these are just the people that like run it and stuff like that.
I have not.
Have you seen the shop? They have all kinds of things. My kid was on touch the car. Yeah. John! Here they are. I can make you one from last year. That's John.
So this is one of the sections where the microphone stopped working, but there's some really fantastic pieces here towards the end. This piece here, what an amazing piece that is. I guess this was just sold like this year or something like that. Somebody was telling me something about it. As you can see, there's a bunch of Star Trek stuff there. That's going to be in probably the next video. I'll be putting the starships in the next video. And here's something that really blew me away. This was a shark, and a very big, big shark. The biggest shark I've ever seen at Wonderfest. It's 1/3 scale, I think, or something like that, of Bruce the shark. But it is an amazing, amazing piece. I didn't see the guy when he brought it in. I don't even know. I wasn't in the room when he brought it in. It must have been a big crowd around it when it was coming into the place. Because going down the hallway with this big thing, there had to be a lot of lookers at it. It is really, really darn cool. And there's old Quint over there. May he rest in peace, in character and in real life. Boy, there's only a handful of people left from Jaws anymore. But yeah, everything on that thing. I mean, Quint looks fantastic over there. The barrel looks great. The gun. That really looks like Bruce the shark from Jaws. It got a lot of attention, as you can see. But anyway, like and subscribe. I hope that you check out the other videos from Wonderfest 2025. Check out my other videos, period. I do a lot of different things on my channel. And it really, really helps if you like and subscribe. It gets people going. This costs money to go to these things. It takes a lot of time to edit these videos. I mean, I've been up for 48 hours almost editing for Wonderfest. So I appreciate the likes and subscribes. Thank you.